Welcome to the Mayo Islands, where we visit the islands off the coastline of Mayo and get talking to people where they share their stories and memories of their lives living on the islands.
We're self-supportive all the way, grew their own crops, milked their own cow, and everyone just kept working, enjoyed every bit of it, they loved it.
Being a musician and a songwriter, obviously it's a double-edged sword because it's the perfect place to write songs and to be inspired and create things, but it's a very difficult place to be a musician.
And of course, on our tour where we leave Blacksod, we leave the Blacksod Lighthouse behind us. And the Mulla Peninsula is nearly unique in Europe in having 4 lighthouses in a very small square area.
Back in 1851, the census recorded 207 people living here on Collymore Island. The last person then left in 1966, the year I was born, so I was destined to come here really.
My grandfather used to pick up the ships when they came in to show them the channels because Clew Bay is quite a dangerous bay. There are actually 43 shipwrecks in Clew Bay.
My favourite thing about Achill is it's always changing. Be it the landscape, the people that are around, there's always something different. It's beautiful. Every day it's beautiful.
In 1901 we had a high tides, high winds and full moon. 3 things came together and destroyed all the link way. There was nothing left.
What I love about this tour is the people.